Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make crispy chicken katsu at home. This katsu chicken is perfectly crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, and in only a few minutes you can be making it at home. To start, I'm going to show you how to make the katsu sauce because all katsu chicken needs this sauce. Super simple to do. In a bowl, we're going to combine a half a cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I purposely said it that way because no matter how I say it, I'm going to be wrong. 1 tablespoon of mustard and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Last but not least, a half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and go ahead and stir that all together. That's a pretty simple pantry-friendly sauce that's gonna accompany the chicken perfectly. We're gonna set that aside and work on our chicken. To make katsu chicken, you need some thin chicken breast. To do that, I like to take a normal chicken breast and horizontally cut that. Place that chicken in between 2 sheets of plastic, and with a kitchen mallet or something similar, pound that chicken to an even 1/2 inch thickness. Even thickness is really important. That way you won't have areas that are overcooked or undercooked. Now that our chicken is prepped, we're going to season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Make sure to get both sides of the chicken. Next up, we need to set up our 3 stations for battering our chicken. First station is a shallow dish with 1 cup of flour. Second station, we're going to whisk together 2 eggs with 1 tablespoon of milk. And third station is 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Go ahead and take that seasoned chicken and run it through those stations. Dip that into the flour and make sure you get both sides and shake off any excess. Now dip that into that egg mixture and make sure you let any excess drip off. Then finish off by pressing that into those panko breadcrumbs. Use your hand or some tongs or a spoon and press those crumbs into it. When you're finished, place that onto a sheet. Then finish off the rest of those pieces. Now that our chicken's all coated, we're going to head over to the stove where we have about 2 inches of oil that's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to carefully place that chicken into it. And don't crowd the pan or add in too many pieces. It will drop the temp of the oil and not properly fry it. So just work in batches and take your time. This chicken's gonna cook for about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it and let it cook for another 3 minutes. What you're looking for is that beautiful deep golden color. It's gonna be extra crispy and so yum. Once that chicken is safely cooked to 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature, remove that from the oil and let any excess oil drain off onto a paper towel lined plate. Let it cool for a few minutes and then slice it into strips, drizzle it with that katsu sauce, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.